você já. Hi guys, my name is Beatrice and this is my mom.
Hi guys, my name is Romilda, mom to Beatrice.
Yes, and today we're gonna be making pão de queijo. So now I'm going to present you guys the ingredients. This is a prepared mixture for cheese bread. You can buy this at the Brazilian store. It's like pretty easy to get it. You're gonna need 3 eggs, milk, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and salt, and a little bit of water. Right, now we're going to put the prepared mixture for cheese bread. For this recipe, we're going to use like the whole packet. Alright, then we're gonna put like in this bowl. Oh, and also for you that like doesn't know how to make cheese bread, in this packet, like in the back, you have like the instructions to make it. Like in the back over here, you have the instructions, so it's pretty easy. So, now the salt.
1 teaspoon.
We're gonna use 1 teaspoon of salt in the recipe. Yes. What else? Que mais?
Agora nós vamos medir os líquidos.
The liquids. For the liquid, we need to boil them. So, yeah, we need to boil the milk, oil, and water. So, o que a gente tem que medir primeiro? Alright, now the water. 1 cup of water. It's 1 cup of everything, so it's gotta be 1 cup of 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of oil. Right, mix it a little bit. You can mix them all together and put like in a pan or something. Yeah, in a pan because we need to boil them. I'm gonna put this in here. Great. Now the oil. Now the milk. Jesus.
E agora põe pra ferver.
Now we need to boil the liquids. And over here. Alright. We're gonna put into high temperature, number 7 over there.
Tem que ficar atento porque senão vai.
You need to like
Vai derramar.
look at it because as it has milk, the milk can like, you know, go everywhere. So keep looking at it and pay attention. Now we're going to measure the cheese. My mom is watching the milk over there, so that's why I'm by myself. And we're going to use 150 grams of Parmesan cheese. Oh,
Não have a problem.
is that a problem?
No.
It's not a problem. My mom just said it. It's not a problem if it like goes beyond like the right measure. Like, it's called pão de queijo, né, guys? So it's okay to use more cheese than the regular mozzarella cheese. So for the mozzarella cheese, I'm going to be using a different bowl. So we need to take the tear again.
500 gramos.
500 grams. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So same thing as the other one. Take the tear. Here. Mozzarella cheese until it hits 500 grams? 500 grams?
500 gramos.
500 grams. Now the milk is ready, and we're just gonna put like in this bowl with the mixture. Yeah, just put it in like that. Put it in slow, so like the flour doesn't pull away from her. Now the Parmesan. My hands are clean, so I'm touching it. It's 350. We're gonna get cheese. Get more. Get cheese. 481. Like a bit more. 507. As I said, it's fine to add always more cheese because it's sponge cake. You're in here. After we put all the eggs, we're gonna wash our hands and the spoon that we used. Sometimes wash our hands with it because it didn't touch the eggs. Just dry your hands. Now that the flour is cold, we can put the eggs now. It's like slower because we don't want eggs everywhere. Pretty sure. Now that we just added the eggs, we can add the Parmesan cheese. Slower, really slow. While we're finishing the dough, we need to put the oven to preheat. 350 grados, né?
Yeah.
You press bake and 350 degrees, and you just wait to preheat. Then we're going to make the balls and put them in the oven.
Quando tiver essa consistência,
When it's this consistency, it's ready, and we can make the balls so the cheese bread can get ready. And you don't need to put oil around the baking sheet because it has like already a lot of oil in it, so it's not gonna stick to the baking sheet or anything. It's going to be totally fine. We just finished making the cheese balls. Now, ué, o que aconteceu com coisa?
Coloca, Bia, no forno. Coloca no forno.
And now we can put in the oven preheated and wait until it gets like crunchy on top of it and like with yellow spots on it. Right. And this is how they look like after baking. So I'm gonna take them off and try them. And the cheese breads are ready. And we're gonna cut one in half, and they're really soft. It's kind of hard to cut it. Wait, Mom's gonna try to cut it. Ooh. It's really hot, so wait, I can try. Ooh. They're really hot. Come on, come here. It's a video. It's so good. So yeah, guys, this was the video. Thanks for watching.